Hey, what's up everybody? I'm in a 2011 Toyota Highlander. When I put my blower motor on high, I get a noise, like a rumbling noise or a loud whine. I'm going to show you what I got here. I'm going to push this up and go full speed high. Now hopefully you guys can hear that noise. And it only happens on high. And the reason why it does that is because there's something in the blower motor. It could be a bunch of debris or even something as simple as one little leaf. Now, the problem with this one is this one had the cabin filter missing. For whatever reason, someone took it out, so I got a bunch of leaves in there. I'm going to be putting a new cabin filter in, a Toyota one. Here's my part number. So this video is going to be kind of like how to deal with that noise and also how to install and replace a cabin filter. So, all right, here we go. So say you're going to get your cabin filter. You're going to open this up. You want to come around here and take this damper off. Yeah, you can just grab it with your finger and pull it off like that. Let it just chill out and do its thing, rest. Now you got to squeeze both sides of this and lower it down. You're trying to get these little plastic pegs to come out of the little track. I had to use two hands. Use two hands, it made it a lot easier. I just have my camera on one hand. Then you can pull this glove box off. It's okay if it comes off. Just let it rest. Now come to the bottom of this little panel. Pull these little tabs out, or you can just put your finger in the center and kind of open this. Here's the access door to the cabin filter. Now take note, it says up with an arrow up. That will be important when we put the new cabin filter in. Now with two hands, you're going to push down the plastic tabs on the sides of this and then pull this access door straight forward to come off. Now there's supposed to be a cabin filter in here. This one's been missing. That's why it has a noise, because there's a bunch of leaves in there and stuff. But you're supposed to have a cabin filter in there. If there is one in there, just pull it out. Here's my new one. This is a Toyota OEM cabin filter. Now see that same arrow that's pointing up, and it says up. When you go to put this in, you're going to put it in like this with that arrow pointing up, because it says up with the arrow up, just like your access door said. But for right now, we're going to deal with the noise. Now, if you look in there, there's leaves in there. There's probably like 4 or 5 leaves in there, and that's all it takes to cause that noise on high. So I'm going to get these out. Obviously, we're going to make sure that the car is off. Make sure there's no way that blower motor is going to turn on with your fingers in there. Just reach in there, get them out. Now, if you have to, if it's so bad, you can drop the blower motor, take this black panel off, and then there's 3 screws. You take them out, and you could pull that blower motor down and just really clean it out. But this way, unless it's like a rat nest or something, you should be okay. If you have a rat nest in there, I recommend replacing the whole blower motor, because that's a lot of nasty shit you're breathing in. Excuse my language. But after you do that, turn it on high and make sure the noise is gone. If the noise is gone, then we can put it all back together. Obviously, you don't need to do all this leaf cleaning when you're doing your cabin filter. You know, so we're going to put this in with the arrow pointing up. Now, if you have a filter, it's like aftermarket, and it just has an arrow pointing down and doesn't say up or nothing, just an arrow pointing down, then when you put it in, you'll put it in with the arrow pointing down. But if it says up with the arrow up, then you put it in with pointing up. I know it's weird. That's how they do it. I don't know why, but that's the rules. Okay, so we'll put this door back on, and then we'll shut this right here. And then we'll put these hinges on right here. And then the hinges can be kind of, you could like go to close and it's not closing right. So basically, sometimes when you go to put this one on, the hinges, you'll have it on there, but it's not fully on, and you got to like kind of push hard, and this will snap down and go into place. Both sides will do that to you. So if it's not closing right, you're probably not all the way on the hinges. Once your door shuts good and you're on the hinges fine, we'll put this damper back on. 2 hands, just kind of grab it, slowly pull it down, and then put it into place. If you pull the whole damper off on accident, don't worry, you can put it back on. Just do that, make sure this shuts. All that does is make sure that the door opens slowly. And that's it, guys. So hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. Check the description for links. I put links to parts in the description and comments. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just a couple products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off promo code for AUXITO LED headlights. These are the best headlights in my opinion. They just recently upgraded all their technology, so their LED lights are even brighter than the others that are still using old tech. I've had many LED lights as far as like headlights, interior lights, whatever, brake lights, and these are the best. They don't flicker, they're not cheap. They don't like go out on you. All you gotta do is go to the AUXITO website, type in your vehicle information, then look up what kind of light you want. All their products will pop up, And these are available on Amazon as well, but if you go to the website and use GearmoAuto in the discount code spot, you will get 15% off. So if you're looking for new brighter upgrades, check these out. Hey, what's up guys? I want to tell you about Quantum Soap. It's a new men's soap company. They got many different bars of soap, each with their own ingredients and fragrance and texture. They even have grittier bars for like mechanics or whoever, like the dark matter bar. It's extra gritty. If you go to their website, it's free shipping over $50. Each bar is about $5. You also get a 10% discount code for your first order. They're coming out with many new soaps. It's definitely worth checking out. Of course, I have a discount code for you. It's GearmoAuto. If you type it in at checkout, you'll get 10% off. You could use it as many times as you want every time you order. These make great gifts to husbands, boyfriends, uncles, nephews. They even got the Galactic Mechanic Bar. It's super gritty for mechanics, so check that out. Type in the GearmoAuto promo code. That way they know you're one of the homies. And that's it, guys.
You're pretty good.